Good morning, my friends. Welcome back to my channel, Where is Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from inside of my loud tiny home on wheels domino. So this morning I'm actually about to leave Florida and head to Virginia. My younger sister is in Virginia, so I'm gonna take about 2 days to get there. I'm gonna take it slow, and this will still be a part of my sorry, Jada. This will still be a part of my Bussin' It to Florida series because I believe I'm gonna make my way right back from Virginia to Florida. So, I don't know. Stay tuned. Hello, friends. I made it to Orangeburg, South Carolina. And it's like 40 something degrees, but it's like very windy. Let me go ahead and show you where we are parked at tonight. So the owners said it's gonna be pretty cold. I checked the weather, and yeah, it's gonna be like 20 something degrees tonight. So I have to prepare Dom, make sure she's good to go, so that when I get out to go to the restroom in the middle of the night, I'm not like freezing my butt off. Unfortunately, I still have not figured out my diesel heater. I don't know if it's a wiring issue or if, like, I don't know, for some reason, like, it'll shut on, but then it'll say something in a different language, and then it'll shut right back off. It doesn't work. So I've been using my propane, my Mr. Buddy heater, and I have this this fire pit that doesn't require any ventilation. I'll probably start the night off with that, and so I'll show you what that looks like. But yeah, I've had it ever since I've had Dom, but I really haven't used it ever since I got my Mr. Buddy heater. But it's so nice. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and just walk Jada around a bit, get some of the sun while it's here, because in like an hour or two the sun will probably be non-existent. So I'm gonna just get to that, and I'll see you guys later. Oh yeah. Jeez. I didn't break anything, so that's good. But I need to figure out a better way to secure my lens. I'm so happy it didn't break. Oh. This is my wide angle lens. So I actually hope you can see me decent right now. Dang it. Bye, folks. You try to run? Miss ma'am, you already broke the leash once, okay? Can we not? Go slow, go slow, go slow. This is your first time walking on a pier, Jada. Are you not nervous? Holding on tight to my camera. The tripod. Oh. Okay, so my fridge right now is making noise. I don't know if you can hear it, but I'm gonna go ahead and set up my heating for tonight. So I do have the diesel heater, as I said, but that crap, you know, I just need to sit and try and figure that out. Like I said, I don't know if it's a wire thing or if like the diesel fuel is not getting to whatever it needs to get to, because when it turns on, it's in a totally different language and I don't know what she's saying. So let's work with things that I do know, you know, how to work and know what they're saying. So the first thing is my Utopia Ventless Tabletop Portable, let me read it all the way off. Utopia Ventless Tabletop Portable Bioethanol Fireplace, okay? So basically this is what I purchased initially when I got Dom. And this was really my heat source because I was going to school in San Francisco, and really San Francisco, like, it would get maybe to the 40s. And that's like really good sleeping weather for me, like 40, you know, 45 degrees, like that's perfect in Dom. So I rarely use this, but yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and set it up. Here's the fuel for it. I got this off of the Amazon, and if you're interested, I'll put the links to both the fuel and the actual fire pit. I'll put it in the description as well. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what this looks like. Okay, so this is like the box that I keep it in, and the box that it came in. And under here, underneath, you hold this actually can put out the fire if you need to put it out before the fuel runs out. And also stored underneath is the glass that goes along this side right here. Let's fix the camera a bit, sorry about that. So the cotton that's in here, basically that's just how the flame happens. So it's a fill line, a max fill line, and so for inside a Dom, like when I fill it up all the way, the flame lasts for about 40 minutes, and it's really nice. So let's go ahead and just fill it up. So yeah, like you really can pour a lot in here. Okay, I still didn't fill it up all the way, but that is pretty good. And I have, I don't know, maybe like 4 or 5 more of these. And so because some did fall, all you have to do is just take a napkin. Take a napkin and just wipe it off. Because when you do light it, like that will actually catch on fire too, and you don't want that. So yeah, that's that. And the glass. I just put everything back in the original packaging. It just makes it easy for transport. Like I've had it for over a year now, and I haven't had, you know, hasn't broken or anything. Knock on all the wood in Domino. And so basically this is the fire pit. So I'm also taking out my big large buddy heater, Mr. Buddy Heater, so I can refill the propane canisters just to make sure they're topped off, because like that freaking sucks, just waking up in the middle of the night, like freezing, and then you go to turn on your propane heater and there's no propane, and you have to like take it off. Like it's just a lot, and then you freaking cold. Why are you doing all of this? So it just makes you like angry at yourself, like girl, you should have did that prior when it ran out the first time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that now. And I'm losing a lot of light, so I'm gonna just show y'all later once everything is like turned on. Once, you know, I light the portable ventless tabletop fire pit, show you what that looks like, and then you guys see me use my Mr. Buddy heater, but I'll show you again just in case it's some new people. And if it's some new people, hey friends. Okie dokie, so now I have both of my heat sources. I don't know how this looks. I have both of my heat sources set up for tonight, and it's already starting to get a little chilly, so I guess actually I do have 3 heat sources, because if you cook, that is heat right there, so you just trap the heat in. Yeah. Okay, y'all see I had a red nose, and my name ain't Rudolph, so all you Jada aunties and uncles, here she go. All you Jada aunties and uncles, tag your it. Y'all can be babysitting during moments like this in those 3 a.m. potty breaks. Ain't that right, Jada? Yes, you can come babysit me. So coming back in from taking Jada out, like, it is so cold. My fingertips are cold. Jada, she was kind of shaking a bit, so I just went ahead and cut on the Mr. Buddy heater because, like, I'm awake. So it's the best, you know, best time to have it on, like, while you're awake, because again, I don't sleep with this on. So I'll probably honestly start the night off with Mr. Buddy heater, and then if I wake up in the middle of the night cold, I'll go ahead and light the I don't know why the name keeps like slipping my mind. Literally, it's a fire pit that sits on top of a counter. So what can I call this thing that'll make me remember it? Maybe fire pit that sits on top of the counter? I don't know. But yeah, so if I wake up in the middle of the night cold, I'll light the fire pit that sits on top of the counter. I'll light that. But yeah, we warming up. And Miss Jada, she's in her carrier. She loves this thing. She's so cute. But yeah, so I'm about to eat some chips. I don't think I'm gonna make soup. It's just too much effort, even though literally it's really not a lot. It's just I have to pull out, you know, the camp stove and then put the propane on, and then, you know, it's a whole production for soup. Well, I'm making breakfast in the morning, so duh, I can go ahead and put it out, so it'll be ready for when I want breakfast in the morning. Yeah. But yeah, so I don't even know what time it is, because what is time? But yeah, be honest, yeah, I don't know what time it is. But I'm just gonna go ahead and let you guys go for this evening. Yeah, because I don't really know, nothing else is gonna happen, so this is it. So yeah, peace out guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys probably in a few days, or next week. I don't know when this is gonna roll out, so I'll just see y'all later.